Hello students, today we will learn next topic, that solve example. In last video we learned about the mass and weight. Let's see example first. If a person weighs 750 newtons on earth, how much would be his weight on the moon, given that moon's mass is 1/81 of that of the earth and its radius is 1/3.7 of that of the earth? So they ask here, we have to calculate the person's weight. If he has and 750 newtons on the earth, then that would be how much on the moon, and moon's mass they have given 1/81 of that the earth and its radius is 1/3.7 of that of the earth. So here you have given this example, solve example. Actually this, in short, they have given the all the steps. If you can understand through these steps, then okay. Let we see that given the weight on the earth, that is 750 newton. Ratio of mass of the earth, that is ME. E for earth and M for the mass of the earth. To mass of the moon, that is MM. This is the mass of the moon, is equal to, that ratio they have given directly here, ME, that is the mass of the earth, and upon MM, that is the mass of the moon, is equal to 81. Ratio of radius of the earth, RE, to radius of the moon, that is RM, that will come RE upon RM, is equal to 3.7. Let the mass of the person be M, that is the person's mass, they have denoted by M in kg. Weight on the earth is equal to, we know that the force is equal to mass and gravitation. We have already given the formula of this weight, that is W is equal to F is equal to mg. So is equal to the mass of the person, we know that the 750 is equal to, here they put the value of g here, m mass of the person, universal gravitation g, and mass of the earth upon radius of the earth, that is r square. Therefore they have given the mass is equal to, m is equal to 750 re square, the radius square, upon gme. How it come? This, they solve this equation. Then this 750 that will go on this side, and RE that comes up, and then remain there down G upon ME, that is in reciprocal form that come. Then weight on the moon is equal to mg, mass of the moon, upon radius of the moon, that is r square, rm square. Using first equation, this one, it will come, you know that the m, they have taken this side, this value here 750 re square upon gme into gmm upon rm square, is equal to 750. This they have written separately, re upon rm square, re square upon rm square, into m mass of the moon upon mass of the earth is equal to 750. So they have given the value of that is ratios is equal to 750. So m upon first r upon re upon rm, we know that is the 3.7, but here they have given the square, that's why we have to return the square into 1 upon 81, that is the mass of the earth upon mass of the moon is equal to, if you solve this one, we will get this value 126.8 Newton. The weight on the moon is nearby 1/6 of the weight on the earth. We can write the weight on the moon as mg, m, that is gm, is the acceleration due to gravity on the moon, and thus gm is 1/6 of the g on the earth. But sometimes some students have the confusion what how that steps are come here and how the answer we will get like this. So I have solved this example step by step, that's also we will see. So students, let's we see that example once again. They have given in that example m, that will be the mass of the moon, then me be the mass of the earth, rm be the radius of the moon, re be the radius of the earth. You can use capital or small letter. Here let's we see the mass of persons be m, and that they have given the 750 Newton. Now mass of the moon is equal to 1 upon 81 by the mass of the earth, and its ratio will come, that is m, that is the mass of the moon upon mass of the earth is equal to 1 upon 81. Let's be take this equation first. Then they have given the radius, that is the radius of the moon is equal to 1 upon 3.7 that of the earth, that is the radius of the earth. Then its ratio also will come, therefore the rm upon re is equal to 1 upon 3.7. let's we take this equation second. So if we will write this in inverse, we will get the re upon rm is equal to 3.7 upon 1. So we say the case first, when the person is on the earth, then the force on the earth on the person is equal to gme m upon re square, radius of the earth square. Then we know that person's weight on the earth, that is 750, is equal to gme m upon re square. Then if we solve this one, so we want here value of m, then so this we will take for this side, right side of the equal sign, then it will come 750 multiply by this re, you can write here small e, re square, that will go up upon gme is equal to m is remain there, is equal to m. Then therefore we can write this equation as like this also, m is equal to 750 into re square upon gme. This is the equation third. Then let's we see the case second, when the persons is on the moon. We have get here the value, that persons m's value, that when the persons on the earth, and now we have to write here the persons on the moon. Then f m is equal to gmm here upon rm, radius of the moon square. So we have calculate here the about the moon, then force on moon, that's why we have written here f m, force on moon or weight on the moon of that persons, is equal to g m m m upon r m square. We give the this one fourth equation. Then substitute value of m in equation 4. So we know we have already get here the value of m, that we will substitute in equation 4. Then f is equal to g m m this, then upon g m m upon r m square into this, we have written here into, then m value we have to put here, that will come 750 multiplied by re square upon g m e. So this g and this g will cancel here. Then next step, f m, the force on moon, that is equal to m mass on moon upon mass of the earth into re, that is radius, re square, that is radius of the earth, upon rm square, radius of the moon square, into 750. Then next we can write the next step, that is mm upon me multiplied by re upon rm bracket square, because we have get here both having the square, we can write bracket square also, into 750. Now we know that value of m upon me, that is equal to 1 upon 81 multiplied by re upon rm square, that is the re upon rm, that we know that the 3.7 and its square multiplied by 750 is equal to 1 upon 81 multiplied by, if we find the square of this 3.7 multiplied by 3.7, we will get the value 13.67 multiplied by 750. Now we have to solve this one. Then it will come next step, is equal to 10,267.50 upon 81. If we multiply these numbers, we get here this value. Then 81 as it is will come here, is equal to, now if you remove this decimal point, then we have to give here 2 zeros, then the value like this will come, 10,26,750 upon 8,100. So let's we cancel this 0 and this 0. Now we have to simplify this number, or you have to find the number that divide these both the numbers, or these numbers will be divisible by that numbers. So you know here you have to use the divisibility test. So the last here they have given the 5 and 0, then we will use here divisibility test of 5. If you divide these numbers by 5, then its number, or this number is simplified, again that number you have to be divide by 3, then we will get the value, that is 6,845 upon 54. And if you divide this 6,845 by 54, we get here value, that is 126.75 Newton. Then that is the force on moon of that persons, or the weight of that persons on the moon. And if you reduce this number, we will get the values, that is 126.8 Newton.